When you visit Amritsar, it's a must-try to taste their renowned lassi. This heavenly drink is made with love, creamy malai and just the right amount of sugar to give you that much-needed energy boost. Here's our list of top spots in the city to try the best lassis. Gyan Lassi. First on our list is Gyan Lassi, one of the oldest local market joints and a favourite among locals and celebrities. Their lassi is sweet, thick and creamy with the right amount of malai. They are located opposite Regent Cinema near Hathi Gate. They are open whole week from 9 am to 9 pm. The cost for 2 people is 150 rupees. New Munim Dihati. Next up we have New Munim Dihati, an iconic spot with a desi vibe. You can't miss their lassi, perfect for beating the heat. It's loaded with sugar and malai, so a single glass will keep you satisfied for hours. Located at Lawrence Road opposite Bijli Pehlwan Mandir, Dayanand Nagar. The cost for 2 people is 200 rupees. Ahuja Milk Bhandar. If you are looking for the best lassi in town, try Ahuja Milk Bhandar. Their Quesadar Lassi is a top pick and they've kept the same great taste since they opened. The lassi comes in big glasses with a scoop of white butter and isn't too sweet or thick. You can visit them any day of the week from 8:30 am to 5:30 pm near Hindu Sabha College, Hathi Gate. Quesadar Dhaba. Next on our list is the famous Quesadar Dhaba, established in 1916. Renowned for its authentic cuisine, which is prepared using traditional recipes. Its lassi is tasty and rich, with a thick texture and freshly squeezed handmade butter. The dhaba is open all week from 12:30 pm to 10:30 pm and located at the Telephone Exchange, Hathi Gate. The cost for 2 is 200 rupees. Bharawa Da Dhaba. The fifth lassi shop on our list is Bharawa Da Dhaba at Town Hall, Amritsar. Their famed lassi is regarded as the best because of its frothy texture topped with a layer of butter and cream. They are open from 7 am to 12 am all days of the week. The cost for 2 is only 150 rupees. Kanha Sweets. Last but not the least, we have Kanha Sweets Lassi. The secret to its great taste lies in the freshness and high quality of the ingredients that are used to make it. It is located at Lawrence Road and open Monday to Sunday from 8 am to 10 pm. Enjoy delicious meals with lassi for just 200 rupees for 2. So there you have it, folks. The 6 best places in the city to try Amritsari Lassi. Which one of these top recommendations are you most excited to visit? Do let us know which one of these top recommendations are you most excited to visit.